Yes, it is an accepted practice to feed a dry-type transformer through the top of the enclosure. There are several advantages to top-fed dry-type transformers. Firstly, reduced bending stresses. The weight of the cables is distributed over the entire transformer top, reducing bending stresses and the primary bushings. Secondly, easier installation. Top-fed transformers can be easier to install, especially in tight spaces or when obstacles are present on the sides or bottom. Thirdly, modular design. Top-fed transformers may come with removable covers or lids, allowing for easy access and maintenance. Fourthly, improved airflow. Placing the primary connections on top can facilitate better airflow around the transformer coils, improving cooling efficiency. When considering top-fed transformers, keep in mind vertical space. Ensure there is sufficient vertical clearance above the transformer to accommodate the cables and connections. Also consider the bushings. Top-mounted bushings must be rated for the voltage and current of the incoming feeder. A cable tray or conduit may be required to support and route the cables to the top of the transformer. IEEE Standard C57.12.1, which covers dry-type distribution and power transformers, allows for both bottom and top feeding of dry-type transformers. The National Electrical Code requires that all electrical connections be made in a workmanlike manner and in accordance with manufacturer instructions. Top-fed transformers are commonly used in industrial, commercial, and institutional applications where space is limited or ease of installation is a priority. While less common than bottom-fed transformers, top-fed installations can provide certain advantages and are considered acceptable practice by industry standards.